Imagine waking up one morning and seeing something surprising. Your pee is a very dark brown, almost like cola. It's not something you see every day, and it can be quite alarming. It's strange, unexpected, and maybe even a little scary. You might start wondering what could be wrong. So, what does it mean? Our bodies have their own ways of talking to us, and the color of our pee, potty, and blood is one of them. These changes can be signals that something inside needs our attention. A sudden change in color can be worrying, but it's often our body's way of saying, "Hey, something needs attention." It's like a built-in alert system. Think of it like this. Our bodies are like super cool machines, always working to keep us healthy. They perform countless functions every second of the day. Just like a car needs an oil change and petrol, our bodies need important things to work properly. This includes proper nutrition, hydration, and regular checkups. Bodily fluids like blood, urine, and stool are super important for these processes. They help in diagnosing and monitoring our health. They carry nutrients, remove waste, and help keep everything balanced inside. This balance is crucial for our overall well-being. Changes in their color can give us clues about what's happening inside. It's like a window into our internal health. Bright yellow pee might just mean you need to drink more water, which is a simple fix, while a reddish color could mean something more serious. It might indicate an infection or other health issue that needs medical attention. Understanding what our bodies are telling us can help us take better care of ourselves. It's about being proactive and attentive to these signs. By noticing these color changes and talking to a doctor when needed, we can make sure our amazing body machines keep running smoothly. Regular checkups and paying attention to our body's signals are key to maintaining good health. Every bodily fluid has its own normal color, depending on what it's made of and what it does. These colors can tell us a lot about our health and how our bodies are functioning. Blood, which carries oxygen all over our body, is bright red because of something called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin binds to oxygen, giving blood its vibrant red color. Urine, which helps our body get rid of waste, is usually pale yellow to amber, depending on how concentrated it is. The kidneys filter out waste and extra water, creating urine. Stool, what's left after digestion, is usually brown because of bilirubin, something made when old red blood cells are broken down. The liver processes bilirubin, which then colors the stool. These colors, though they seem ordinary, actually show the amazing things happening inside us all the time. They are indicators of the complex processes that keep us healthy. When these processes don't work properly, the color of our fluids can change. These changes can be early signs of health issues. For example, if the liver, which processes bilirubin, isn't working well, extra bilirubin can build up, causing jaundice. This condition can be a sign of liver problems. One sign of jaundice is yellow skin and eyes. This yellowing happens because of the excess bilirubin in the body. Similarly, blood in the urine, called hematuria, can make it pink, red, or even brown. This can be alarming and should be checked by a doctor. While not always serious, it can sometimes mean infections, kidney stones, or rarely, even bladder cancer. It's important to understand the potential causes. Noticing these changes and talking to a doctor is very important for catching problems early. Early diagnosis can lead to better treatment outcomes and overall health. Have you ever wondered why carrots are orange and tomatoes are red? It's because of pigments, natural things that give color to things. Just like in plants, pigments color our bodily fluids. Hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in our blood, is a good example. This iron-containing molecule grabs onto oxygen and becomes bright red. This oxygen-rich blood pumped from our lungs gives our skin a healthy glow and powers our cells. As blood moves around, it delivers oxygen and picks up carbon dioxide, a waste product. This makes the blood a bit darker, almost bluish red. Another important pigment is bilirubin, a yellowish thing made when hemoglobin is broken down. Bilirubin goes to the liver and then is removed in bile, a digestive fluid. Bilirubin makes bile greenish yellow. In the intestines, bilirubin breaks down further, making our potty brown. Section 4. The outside in, how external factors paint our fluids. The color of our fluids mostly depends on things inside our body, but things outside can also affect it in various ways. Our food, medicines, and even things in the environment can change the color of our fluids, sometimes in surprising and unexpected ways. For example, Beetroot is bright red because of a pigment called betanin, which can have a noticeable effect. Eating lots of beetroot can make your pee and even potty reddish pink. This can be quite startling if you're not expecting it. This condition is called beeturia, and it's not harmful, though it can be surprising. Some medicines can also change urine color, adding another layer of complexity. Rifampicin, used to treat TB, can make urine orange-red like rusty water, which can be quite alarming. Some vitamins, especially B vitamins, can make urine fluorescent yellow-green, a vivid and unusual change. This shows how our bodies are intricately connected to the outside world, responding to various external factors. While most color changes from food or medicine are temporary and harmless, it's always good to talk to a doctor if you see any unusual or long-lasting changes to ensure there are no underlying issues. Section 5. Deciphering the body's secret messages. Our bodies are always talking to us through different signs. The color of our bodily fluids is one such important sign that can tell us a lot about our health. By noticing these small changes, we can often catch health problems early and get help quickly. Section 6. The importance of professional advice. Learning about fluid colors is helpful, but remember, trying to figure out what's wrong yourself can be risky. Always talk to a doctor about any changes in your fluid colors that worry you or don't go away. They can tell you what's really going on and what to do about it. So always talk to a doctor. Don't try to figure it out yourself when it comes to your health.